afternoon guys, hope you're all well, and today's video is something a little bit different. It's a 2025 Auto Trail V-Line that's come to us. Now this chap is relatively local, about an hour away, and his brand new vehicle was missing out on a few vital things. We have fitted the Brink dedicated or detachable and dedicated tow bar. This particular model comes with the 13-pin electrics, and the cabling for this runs all the way underneath into the battery box under the front and then over to the body control module to talk data to the vehicle itself. Now this particular tow bar is really handy, and that's because of the fact that once you are not using it, or when you're not using it, you can just remove this aspect, put a little dust cap in, and then it's pretty much out the way. So I'm going to do an example of that now. So let's put the key in. Key only fits in one way, and once you've got the key, and you get two keys and they're numbered, so they are, if you lose them, you can get spares. You turn the key 180 degrees, like so. You can take the key out. At the moment, I've got the little green traffic light symbol up on the detachable tow hitch. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to push, and as I push in and twist it down, it then puts it into the red locking mark. So now what I can do is I can, with one hand, grab the weight of the tow hitch, with the other hand give the locking mechanism just a slight twist just to release, and then you can remove the tow hitch itself. So this comes with a little bag from Brink, and that little bag then means that you don't get any dust and dirt and grease anywhere else in your vehicle, but it also means this doesn't get dirty. Now, talking about that, when you're not using the tow hitch, you can then put this in there as well. And basically what it means is that when you do go to pop your tow hitch back in, it's not then going to struggle. So if we didn't have the tow hitch connected today, this is all that you would see on your vehicle. And I think it's important because a lot of people are put off by tow bars. You're not going to walk around the back of the vehicle and whack your shin on this or your ankle. It's nice and neat and it's effective. You've got your spring-loaded 13-pin cap here, and that could be also 7-pin if you wanted. It's waterproof, and then when you're not using it, you really has no bearing on the vehicle whatsoever. It looks nice and neat. So then we can take our little dust cap back off like so, pop the tow hitch in, and line it up. Give it a bit of a wiggle up and down, and it locks into place. Now, I've got the green traffic light on here, and what I can do is I can put my key in, turn it 180, take the key out, and that's now locked. So this is the Brink detachable tow bar for the Fiat, Peugeot, Citroen, Vauxhall range of vans, campers, motorhomes. If you've got a vehicle like this and it's on a Fiat or Peugeot or Citroen base, or even the Vauxhall Movano, then this will fit. We used to fit and always have fitted the Westphalia detachable. They are struggling with production, so now we only fit the Brink and another brand called Tow Trust. But the Brink is one that you're going to see more and more on our channel and also on our website too. Right, now join me at the front for the other mods that we've completed today. Also on this 2025 van, we have improved vastly the FM and DAB reception by fitting one of our body mounted or wing mounted FM and DAB amplified antennas. Now this is a click-in whip. It was designed originally for the vehicles that had the slant, so that if the roof was like this, the aerial would sit on there like a bee sting. You can unscrew the antenna itself if you are in an area that you are unsure of and you don't want it on, then you can take it off. Also, if it gets stolen or lost, then you can buy replacements. So that's in like so. It's locked in, and because of the fact that it's using the whole wing as a ground plane or an earth, that gives you a much better signal. Plus at the other end, it's been connected to a 12-volt source. So the FM and the DAB are much, much better than what you normally find in the wing mirror, which is a passive antenna and not very good, because we hear about it all the time. And then following on from that, we have a set of our hugely popular front side steps. Now we are technology specialists. We're mainly audio and video and electrical. We don't get involved with many other things that are mechanical, but these steps are very, very popular and we fit these on a very regular basis. Makes a massive difference. There are dedicated videos online about what these do, how they help you, how they benefit you. At the end of the day, here's the floor, here's the step up to the vehicle. It doesn't matter how tall or short you are, or whether you've got a bad leg or bad hip or bad back or whatever, this reduces that step up and step back down by 50%. So massive, massive convenience factor for that. But again, there's loads of videos. We do loads of videos on these as well. These are powder coated frame, aluminium step through, nice little plastic covers on the end to make it decorative, and are load weight bearing, no problem. Step on that, step up into your vehicle, job's done. So FM and DAB amplified antenna, set of our front steps, Brink detachable tow bar. This vehicle and this customer, he's going to drive away chuffed to bits that he's now got a van that nearly ticks all of his options, and that's what we strive for. Website links in the bio. If you need any more information, please do get in contact with us via the website on the contact us page. And as usual, guys, thank you for watching.